Welcome to Manitou's UK HQ. We're here to show you a multi-purpose AV installation from one of our recent projects. They've got over 30 authorized branches and dealerships here in the UK. Training on their equipment is super critical for their growth. That's why we're here today to show you how we've implemented our AV solutions to create effective meetings, training, and other operations that they do here. So Manitou needed a larger space where they could accommodate boardroom meetings, a sales meeting set up like this with the table traditionally down the middle of the room, and also a classroom and dealer training session. So it's really important for Manitou to engage with an AV integrator like MBS so that we could get on board, really understand those use cases, and design the room with the best AV system that we could within the budget. Multiple cameras in this room, 2 AVCam PTZ cameras, one above each display, so we can pan, tilt, and zoom, move them around the room where we want them to, assign presets built into the cameras so that we can just call up presets when we know what room layout we've got, create different scenarios and different environments and get the best camera experience. So these microphones, 2 in this room, they cover the entire space with microphones, but also they've got inbuilt speakers as well. So it's a 2-in-1 device, providing a really good microphone and audio experience within this space. Simple training room. And what's cool about this space is we can come directly from the workshop, get some hands-on training with the tools and the vehicles, straight into the classroom. We've got touchscreen capabilities. We've got the lectern here so we can plug in laptops, connect our device, present any content for the training.
We can now set up a classroom style. We can do a university style. We can do rows of people. We can now then train in a way that suits the class and suits the needs of that individual training. So it's been a real positive from that point of view as well.